Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the fuel pump on a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. Gather tools, a replacement pump, safety gear, and a repair manual for reference before you start. Park on level ground and secure the vehicle with wheel chocks and jack stands. Take your time removing the rear seat and fuel pump access cover, and keep bolts organized to simplify reassembly. Follow torque specs and leak test procedures. Prepare by confirming part numbers and gathering the necessary tools and safety equipment. Label electrical connectors and take photos to simplify reinstallation. Relieve fuel pressure and disconnect the battery to prevent sparks. Support the fuel tank securely with a jack before loosening straps. Clean the pump opening to prevent contamination and replace the O-ring seal. Double-check connections, prime the pump if required, and verify there are no leaks before lowering the vehicle. In this video, I will show how to replace the fuel pump on a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to keep your workspace neat while you wrench. It's a small convenience that saves time between jobs and keeps dust out of sensitive components. If you like this tip, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin removal by draining fuel if needed and exposing the access panel under the rear seat. Support the tank with a hydraulic jack and unbolt the straps carefully. Disconnect fuel lines using the proper quick disconnect tool and unclip the electrical harness. Remove the old pump module and compare it to the replacement before installing. Fit the new O-ring, seat the module evenly, and secure bolts to spec. Reconnect lines, reconnect the battery, and test for leaks and operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.